On January 12, 2010, we heard the earth rumble, the ground shake. We heard our neighbors screaming as bricks mounted on their chests suffocated their last breath. Some of them died instantly at 4:53 p.m. Yet, here we are again. Today, me, you, and somewhere up there, the gates of heaven have cracked open to allow listen to the angels amongst us. Et moi connais dans tout 300,000 moun qui mouri yo, gen pek chita k'ap di sa k'ap fait la jodi a, manifestation. Haitien reme fait manifestation. But I say this to say that they are watching us, they are listening to us. And their hope is that their death wasn't in vain. They journeyed across the great river to be told that their death was necessary. It was necessary to awaken us, to allow us to look at the Haiti that created us and the Haiti we allowed to be created. It was necessary to allow us to feel each other's pain and no longer look at ourselves as separate from each other, but to understand that we are all intrinsically woven into each other's lives like the thin threads of a flag. So, today, in memory of January 12, we are not mourning the dead, but celebrating heroes. Our celebration will not be loud, but it will be evident in our actions. So as we are here today gathered, we are in the eyes of the 300,000 plus peeping from the slits of heaven doors. In their eyes, we are that shining glimmer, the color of hope. Ladies and gentlemen, let's keep their hopes alive. Let's work together. And let me say this again. Let's work together for a better Haiti. Thank you.